Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my videos where I post a no bullshit guide on how to trade the financial markets. There's none of this ICT fair value gap rubbish. This is real. This is what the markets have been doing since the beginning of time, and I'm going to show you how to trade it. In this example, we have GBP AUD. As you can see on my screen here on the right hand side of the screen, the signals are that it's closed in breakout and we also have 3-day shorts in the market. So if I take off all the indicators and then go to the daily time frame, as you can see, let me just zoom up for you guys. As you can see, the market has closed below the low of this candle once, twice, 3 times. So when I see this is called a 3-day short setup, where the market has closed 3 days in a row below the low of the previous day. That's the low of the previous day 1, that's the low of the previous 2, and that's the low of the previous day, which is 3 days shorts in the market. So when we go back to the 15-minute chart, where we combine timings, levels, and behavior of price, we're waiting to see what the market has to give us. In our minds, we're going long. So when I come to the screen, I want to see an indication, or I want to see the market telling me that it wants to explode to the upside. And what are the things I'm looking for the market to tell me that? Well, I want to see on the day a failed breakout. So as you can see, we have a fail. The market is breaking down. That's yesterday's low. That's Thursday's low. The market is breaking down. It's broke Thursday low. So now I'm anticipating a reversal, and I'm going to combine timings, level, and behavior of price to get the perfect entry where I want minimal drawdown and I want my trade to go straight into profit. I don't believe in losing trades. I don't believe in any of that, because once you have a winning setup, a 90-10 edge, the market is going to play out in your favor. And for me, when I took this trade, honestly, it was straight into profit. My MT5 app had no red. It was just straight blue. So let me show you how I done it. So as you can see, this is the end of Asia, and towards the end of Asia, the market has broken yesterday's low. Now, is the market going to continue breaking down lower, or is the market going to break down, reverse, and fail the breakout and continue trading into the other direction? Now, as you can see, Thursday's Asian session is still intact. This is Thursday's Asian session. So this is a target for me. This is a potential target that I'm going to be targeting if I get into the trade. So let me see how the market played out. Let me play it out for you guys. Okay, so now we are into the gap time. This is the gap time. I'm not trading any of these movements. The market is going to trick you. The market's going to deceive you. The market's going to play all sorts of games for you to enter the market. What I'm doing is I'm waiting for timings, level, behavior of price. So right now, all I see is the market shooting up. What I want to see is a bit of a coil or a bit of structure where I can enter and manage my risk in case the trade goes against me. So let's go down the 5-minute time frame for a clearer view to see what is going on. So right now, I'm waiting for the London session to open. And as you can see, it hasn't opened yet, but now with this candle, the London session has opened. So now I'm waiting to see what price is doing. As you can see, price pumped up during the gap time between the Asian and the London, and now it's retracing back down and it's starting to coil. So now when I see this, I start putting my hands together, start licking my lips, because I know I'm going to get paid, because that's exactly what I'm looking for. So as you can see, the market is doing what it wants to do. And then after this coil, So the market is calling on the EMA, and then it gives us an engulfing candle which closes above the EMA. Entry is just here. This is the second hour of the London session on the 15-minute rotation, 8:15. So that would have been, I'm not sure what time in London, but as you can see, it's the second hour in the London session on the 15-minute rotation. We have our entry, and what are we targeting? We're targeting the high of Asia from yesterday. Easy trade, straight into profit. As you can see, no down candles, just straight where it wants to go. Alright guys, let me show you another example. I hope you learned something from this example, and please like and subscribe if you want more of these gems of videos that I'm releasing here, guys. And also please join my Telegram and follow my Instagram. Okay, let me show you GBP USD from last week. That was also another perfect entry of a trade for me. That was amazing. So let me show you what I found. Alright, so what do we have here, guys? We have Monday, it set the high and it set the low. So Monday sets the high and sets the low. And mind you, before I'm looking at this stuff, I'm looking at my screener. What is my screener telling me? My screener is telling me we have a 3-day setup. For a 3-day setup, I want to see what the market is doing at timings, level and behavior of price at the levels, at yesterday's high or yesterday's low or yesterday's closing price. These are my levels. I want to see how price is reacting off these levels to see if it wants to give us a parabolic moves into the liquidity that hasn't been taken out. So let me remove all these drawings. So Monday sets the high and the low for the week. That's the high and the low. That's Monday. Monday sets the high and the low for the week. I've been saying it for 3 years now. It should be second nature for you. What does Tuesday do? Tuesday is the initial balance, which means it sets the new high and the low for the week. And as you can see, Tuesday set the new high, but the low of the week is still intact on Monday, and also Tuesday set a low. Alright, so we also have on Tuesday a breakout. A failed breakout. On Tuesday, the market broke out of Monday's high, rejected, and then closed back within the range of Monday. So this makes it a day one. If Tuesday is day one, then Wednesday becomes day two. So if Wednesday is day two, I'm not looking at the market for any trades because I know I'm going to be coming back tomorrow on day three to see what the market wants to give me. So day one, Tuesday, day two, Wednesday. I'm not looking at GU that day. I'm not interested. I'm looking at other markets. I'm looking at GU the next day, which is day three. As you can see, GBP USD day three. That's just my screener that I've been coding. I know everyone's been asking me about it to release it, but it's not ready yet, so please be patient. Okay, so as you can see, day three. So on day three, what am I looking for? Timings, level, behavior of price, and potentially I want to see the market drive down to the low of the week. Everyone who started trading from Monday morning, Monday the opening price of the week, everyone is going long. Look, everyone is long. So where's the money? The money is pretty much at the low of the week. So this is my target, and I know it's day three. So if price is setting up the way you want to set up, I'm expecting a parabolic move to the downside to take out the low of the week. And what do we do? We're waiting for timings, level, behavior of price. So what do we have? In the gap time, the market came up, took out the Asian high. We're also rejecting the closing price of the day, of yesterday. Now we have London Open. Now ideally, if I want to short, I want to be shorting high. But if this market is breaking down heavily, it's coming down with volume and momentum, I'm going to be shorting at the breakout of yesterday's low. As you can see, the market is still going up. Now London took out the high of the gap time. So this is the new high. This is the high of the day, but this is the new high of the London session. As you can see, price is now breaking the EMA. Now price is reversing back the Asian range. Let's see how price wants to react on the levels of yesterday's low. Okay, so now it's towards the end of the London session. I won't be trading this. I'm going to be trading the start of the New York session or the start of the gap time leading into the New York session. And what do we also have? We also have Tuesday's closing price. This is Tuesday's closing price right here. We spread our levels across, and we have Tuesday's closing price. We also have Tuesday's low. Let's see how the market wants to react of this level within timings level behavior of price. As you can see, the market is shooting down. Day 3, we have 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 3 days. We also have the end of the London session into the gap timings level behavior of price. What is price doing? It's breaking down on the level. It's breaking out. Price wants to come down explosively to take out the low of the week, because it's a zero-sum game. For someone to win in this game, someone has to lose. So all these guys who are going long on Monday are being taken out in style. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm nearly at 1,000 subscribers. The more subscribers I have, the more motivated I'm going to be making these videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. See you later.